Hi, I'm Jason Tweedy from Karcher UK. Today's video is all about how to unwrap and use your industrial vacuum, which is Atex Zone 22, and how to connect the accessories and use safely. Karcher's Industrial Atex rated vacuums are only safe for use in Zone 22 areas, which are for low risk dust areas. Please only operate in Zone 22 areas or non-zoned areas. The first thing you want to do is unwrap the pallet and take the machine off the pallet and give a visual inspection. What you need to do is check the machine for visual damage and check that all the basic functions work okay. So just check that the pull and clean works, check the switch moves and operates, check the seals are in place, check that the caster wheels are all okay, and then check that the tank removes smoothly in and out. You will also find the instruction manuals and warranty guarantees, and if there's one bag inside the tank, are inside there as well. So once you check for damage, you'll then want to check that the accessories you've had delivered fit the machine relevant for what you're going to do. So on the inlet here, you want to make sure that the reducer fits and that the accessories then plug in with the knurled knob always facing towards the machine. The accessories that you need to use for this machine all have to have the EX rated. The Karcher Industrial Accessories range is 99% EX rated, but please check on delivery that all accessories have the yellow sticker on to ensure compatibility and safety. Once you've done the visual checks and checked the tank, you then need to check that the machine operates electrically. What you then need to do, the machine is delivered with an EU standard plug, but should also be delivered with the relevant EU to UK adapter, where you would then plug into the wall. Once connected, you then want to turn the switch on. With this being an Atex machine, this will take a second to activate the motors due to being a brushless motor. The vacuum gauge will rise slightly, and that should indicate that everything's working okay. The red light is there to indicate if the flow drops below 20 meters per second and indicates a blockage. This will flash for a few seconds and eventually turn the machine off. If this happens, please check the hoses and accessories for blockages, and if they are clear, please check the filter for an excessively blocked filter. To install the H-bag filter, please remove the tank as normal. What you will notice in the tank is there is a cuff. Please open up the bag and find the rubber cuffed port to push over the inlet on the tank. Please check that this is installed over the cuff point and then unwrap the plastic bag over the side of the tank and find the metal point to install on the tank. When the tank goes back in, this will then seal back and earth bag and the tank. When finished, remove the bag, immediately use the cover to seal the bag, then cable tie the bag and then use the sticker provided to cover the holes, which will then create a double seal and ensure the bag is safe to dispose of.